Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. In today's video I'll show you how to fix input not supported display monitor in Windows 10 so you can quickly resolve this annoying screen error and get your display working properly. Now let's get started. Step 1, right click on an empty spot on your desktop. Step 2, click on display settings from the menu. This will open the main display configuration window in Windows 10. Step 3, find the resolution section and click on the drop-down menu next to it. The resolution setting controls how many pixels are shown on your screen. Step 4, select a different screen resolution and test each option to find the one that fits your monitor properly. Step 5, scroll down and click on Detect under the Multiple Displays section to recognize all connected monitors. This option forces Windows to search for any monitor that may not be properly detected. It is helpful when you are using an external monitor or a second screen. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tech videos.